Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be unboxing the CASETiFY cases and covers. This is the latest and most advanced cases and covers from CASETiFY. So let's get started. As you can see, the box is very sleek and minimalist with the CASETiFY name on the box. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. Wow, look at that! The first thing you see is 4 different CASETiFY cases for your iPhone and 2 different Apple WatchBands. All CASETiFY cases look so elegant. They are reliable and durable cases. It is easy to carry an iPhone with the case in pockets or bags. All these cases include a magnetic ring available on the backside, which helps with wireless charging. Here are the CASETiFY WatchBands. Match them with your unique personality watches and preferences. Also, CASETiFY cases are drop protected to safeguard your iPhone from scratches, bumps, and accidental drops. Additionally, CASETiFY has integrated camera lens protection on their cases to prevent direct contact with surfaces when placed face down. The clear cases are anti-yellowing, and they provide UV protection too. It protects your iPhone not only from the sun, but also from strains like wine or mustard. The Bounce case offers the best grip and overall protection for your iPhone. There are raised bezels that protect your iPhone from slipping out of hand. CASETiFY cases will definitely protect your iPhone from damage, scratches, cracks, drops, and other types of damage. It allows easy access to all the ports, buttons, and features of your phone. So, get the CASETiFY cases now and protect your iPhone from everyday impacts and damages. Check out the product links in the video description and try these affordable CASETiFY cases and WatchBands. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest unboxing videos.